Chapter 1. The Myth of Online Anonymity. To really get a grip on device fingerprinting, picture your phone or computer as if it were a person. Just like each person has their own unique mix of traits, like your height, voice, handwriting, the way you walk, and even how you order your coffee or device has its own special set of characteristics too. You could throw on a disguise or change your name, but those who really know you will still recognize you, right? Well, your device is similar. It has specific traits, patterns, and behaviors that set it apart. Websites tap into these unique features to track you across apps, accounts, networks, and even different devices, making it super easy for them to identify you, no matter where you are online. It's like each device has its own unique fingerprint based on things like your browser type, screen resolution, and even your operating system. So even if you're trying to stay incognito, these sites can still recognize you in a snap. Crazy, huh? This tech is why advertisers can target you so precisely, making it feel like they know you better than your friends do. Chapter 2. Your device as a person. To really get a grip on device fingerprinting, picture your phone or computer as if it were a person. Just like each person has their own unique mix of traits like your height, voice, handwriting, the way you walk, and even how you order your coffee or device has its own special set of characteristics too. You could throw on a disguise or change your name, but those who really know you will still recognize you, right? Well, your device is similar. It has specific traits, patterns, and behaviors that set it apart. Websites tap into these unique features to track you across apps, accounts, networks, and even different devices, making it super easy for them to identify you, no matter where you are online. Chapter 3. The data your device gives away. When you hop onto a website, your device has to share some info to get the page to load. That's normal for the internet to do this. But here's the kicker. Companies figured out that if they gather enough of those little details, they can whip up a digital fingerprint that's super hard to shake off. Think about it. Things like your browser type, screen resolution, and even your mouse movements can all be pieced together. It's a bit wild. Your browser, screen size, time zone, language, operating system, graphics card, audio hardware, battery level, motion sensors, installed fonts, chipset, touch behavior, typing rhythm, and scroll speed, these all add up to create your unique digital fingerprint. Individually, these might seem like just a bunch of tech details. But when you put them all together, they create a unique fingerprint that's super personal. It's like a digital version of you. Imagine how your typing speed, or the way you swipe on your screen, can tell a story about your habits and preferences. Pretty wild, huh? Chapter 4. Why these details identify you. Think of it like this. If I told you someone is 5 feet 11, has warm brown eyes that sparkle when they smile, wears comfy size 11 shoes, has a small scar on their right hand from a childhood adventure, walks with a slight lean like they're always in deep thought, and always orders a caramel macchiato at Starbucks, you could probably spot them in a crowd without breaking a sweat, right? That's exactly what device fingerprinting does. It takes all these little, seemingly harmless details and weaves them together to create a unique signature for each device. It's like your phone or laptop has its own ID card, making it easier for websites to recognize you and tailor your experience. Chapter 5. Canvas Fingerprinting. Now let's go deeper. There's something called canvas fingerprinting. It sounds technical, but here's the simple version. Your device draws a tiny invisible picture in the background. You never see it. You never approve it. You never interact with it. But the way your device draws that picture is unique because your graphics card, your drivers, your settings, and your hardware all affect how that image is rendered. That invisible picture becomes part of your fingerprint. Chapter 6. Audio Fingerprinting. Then there's audio fingerprinting. Your device plays a sound you never hear. It's too quiet, too fast, or outside your hearing range. But the way your device processes that sound is unique because your audio hardware, your speakers, your drivers, and your settings all leave a signature. Chapter 7. Sensors, Batteries, and Fonts. Motion sensors work the same way. Your accelerometer, gyroscope, and magnetometer all have tiny imperfections that make your device behave slightly differently from every other device on the planet. Even your battery data, your battery health, charge cycles, temperature, and voltage creates patterns that can be used to identify you. And yes, even your fonts matter. The exact combination of fonts installed on your device is surprisingly unique. Chapter 8. How Fingerprinting Connects Your Entire Digital Life. When you combine all of this, you get a fingerprint, a signature that follows you even when you think you're hidden. And here's the part most people never realize. This fingerprint doesn't just identify your device. It can connect your accounts, your browsing habits, your shopping behavior, your social media activity, your location patterns, your login attempts, your ad interactions, your search history, and your app usage. Even if you switch accounts, browsers, networks, or devices, your fingerprint can still follow you. Chapter 9. What you can actually do. So what can you do about it? First off, let's face the truth. Completely stopping fingerprinting is pretty much impossible. Seriously, even the pros in cybersecurity can't pull it off. But don't worry, you can definitely reduce it. Think of it like making your digital footprint less obvious. You can use privacy-focused browsers like Brave, Norton Private Browser, or Firefox with some solid anti-fingerprinting extensions. Browser containers are super handy too, like having separate little worlds for different tasks. Oh, and don't forget about VPNs. They're great for masking your IP. Regularly updating your software is a must too. And hey, steer clear of sketchy websites and random apps. They're just trouble waiting to happen. These steps won't make you invisible, but they make you harder to track, harder to profile, and harder to follow across the internet. Chapter 10. Closing. And that's the goal, not perfection, but protection. This week, we're breaking down each part of device fingerprinting one by one so you can understand what's happening behind the scenes and take back some control in a digital world that's designed to track you. Stay aware, stay secure, and I'll see you next week.